Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix if your iPhone is stuck on notification cancelled. So guys, if your iPhone is stuck on notification cancelled and you are unable to use your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You have to simply force restart your iPhone for one time to fix this problem. So guys, for that you have to simply press and release the volume up button from here, and then press and release the volume down button, and after this keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can also fix this problem on your iPhone as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.